also going to be giving out the ClaimCode mod is going to be posted on the Patreon. That one is simple. You type in claim, and it opens up a window. Type the code you received here, and it will give you whatever the mod is set up to give you. That's it for player commands. Admin commands. This one, I would recommend using Virtual Backpack to help you set up the mod itself. If you were to open Virtual Backpack 3, put in the items that you want to be in an item pack, and then go over to the YAML for this. Hold on, let me back up here. Oh yes, these are all mods that I'm working on. Okay, item packs go in here. Virtual backpack. Yeah, okay. So, player's data, my Steam ID. I just viewed Virtual Backpack 3, which in the files, that would be VB2. All of these are the items that were displayed in that window that popped up. You can just copy that, paste it direct into a ClaimCode item pack. New pack. Paste it direct in there. It is the same file system, item stack storage system that is used in the Virtual Backpack mod. And then keys files, this is where you put all your unique codes. Wow, okay, so I put in some test codes. Then you go open the setup YAML. It brings up this file. We're going to need the name of your save game to access the database. Insurance is if you want the players to be able to respawn an entity after it's been spawned. It has to have it has to have been spawned by this mod in order for this insurance to work. And that works the same way. INS pops up. Insurance pops open the window. You type in one of the Steam IDs that show up in this screen, which, believe it or not, CV player is the name of the CV. I did not rename it. That's just the name of the CV as it is currently. You can rename the CV. It'll show up in that screen as the renamed. And then you can also change the claim command if you choose to use a different / command to trigger the mod. In this mod, there are 3 different types of there are currently 3 different types of things that can be claimed using the ClaimCode mod. These first 2 are vessels, and the third one is an item pack. There's a difference between these 2 vessel claim types. One is spawns relative to the player, which would be this one, at player, with an offset X, Y, and Z coordinates. This is set up to spawn 5 meters above the player, directly above the player's head. And the name of the blueprint goes there. The name of the keys file that you actually have to name yourself, and it has to be different, but the mod does not force you to have different codes for each claimable type. Should change that in the future. Entity type goes there, so if you want to have a base blueprint spawn as a CV, you can do that. I don't recommend it, but it's possible. This claimable type is a static location. It will always spawn in the playfield Aqua at these coordinates facing that direction, which 0, 0, 0 is default. You can change it if you like. Claimable type item pack is what I was showing you earlier. Back in ClaimCode item packs, that pack I just created using data from the virtual backpack. These files do not have to have any particular extension, but they do have to be plain text files. This is a plain text file. I just wanted to be different in the YAML. Edit with Notepad. See, it's similar. And the keys file and blueprint name do not have to match. You can have them different. And the item pack file and keys files can be different too. That way you can have one item pack have two different sets of keys files. I don't know why you would ever want to do that, but you have the capability of doing it. And I believe that is everything with the claim code. So have a nice day and enjoy your mods.